gezogen. Okay. Very good. Let's try something else. No load. I ordered this from Temu. It was about $230. All the details in the link description if you like to check it out. This thing, it's you can see it's foldable. You can press here and then turn this way or this way. It's about 80 degrees or so, you know, not like 90 exactly. Make it easy to reach some bolts. And this tool is great if you do work with rusted bolts. It's very heavy duty, and it has a fan in the back. And this one, you can see this pipe, it is almost like 1/8 thick and heated up really quick. I tried it with the smaller one. It works really good, you know. This is like, it comes with some extra coils, like heated coils. They are some of them very little bit big. This is the smallest size. So it comes with, this is extra too, and then maybe you can make your own. I think trying to make it a little smaller for small bolts like this one, it works best, because you see this one, it's a little bigger to I mean for small bolts, but bigger bolts like something like this, it works awesome. So the closest you get, the fastest burn or the heat up the metal quickly. Now the bad thing about this one, so it comes with 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the one I used. 6 coils with the 2 extra. I think you can adjust those by your hand and do them. And then easy to place this thing like so. You know, you just put them on the holes like that, and then turn to lock. Let's see. You just put them in like that, and then you're trying to push it all the way, and then lock. I think, yeah, just like that. So they still lose a little bit, but that's how they fit, I think. See this one? This is the one we used. That's much better. Now we used it over just about like maybe over 2 minutes. Now it does not work. It has a safety, because this thing is turned to be hot. It's very hot in this area. So now stopped not working. It says on the manual, see, this is the metal when it's turning, the temperature, see, up to like start from 500, this is Celsius, from 550 all the way to 1300 Celsius. When it's turning to this color, that means the metal is super hot. It is really powerful. The ranging from, see, dynamometer, everything on this simple user manual. And also here is the instruction how to use and everything. So basically says here, please try not to use on over 2 minutes, 1 minute at the most. Although the device is built in overheat protection. However, lifespan on this device may be reduced. So I don't know how long this can last, since it says here the lifespan can be reduced with, if you use it over a minute or over a minute or over 2 minutes or a minute. So it's basically we put it under test. We use it over 2 minutes. That's why it's shut off now. It says you have to wait. Then when this coil like over 2 minutes and shut off, because it has a safety shuts off, and then we have to wait 5 to 10 minutes until this thing cools down. Then we're gonna try. Now it doesn't work. I'm just gonna plug it in again. Okay, now it's working. There's a fan here too. So let's give a test again and see if it's gonna work again, because now it's working, but let's see if it is same performance. So as you see, it took about maybe just over 30 seconds to heat up this to turn and be super hot. And so it's really hard to tell how long this thing is gonna last. I have no idea, but it works again, and I think it's worth to buy it for if you do a lot of repair, car repair, if you get a lot of bolts hard to remove. This can work really awesome, super fast, and it's a small, heavy duty, I think. But yeah, so for now, if there is any issue, I'm gonna keep using it and see if the performance is same or lifespan can reduce or so, and I'll keep update. But this is the magnetic heater core bar from Temu, $230. It's on sale right now. The link in the description for more details. And for now, thank you so much for watching. All the best, and hope to see you next time. So I'm gonna try to make it a little smaller than this and see what's happened just using this one. So we're gonna turn 4 turn, 1, 2, 4. Let's do one more just in case. Here we go. Yeah, something like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maybe we need to cut this to make them even. Good. Let's wow. So we made this like 5 turns, but you see this thing, it work really awesome because for small bolts it works fantastic. Yeah, this thing is really good tool, excellent. And I'm gonna keep it because I always have a problem with some bolts, really hard to lose, especially those like the exhaust bolts and other things. And really this is super awesome coil, very very good. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. All the best and hope to see you next time.